2011, Gavin Price, a young engineer from Coventry, the cradle of Britain's engineering, arrived in India for what was meant to be a 6-month assignment. Instead, that journey ignited a bold entrepreneurial path.
A lot of people deterred us away from setting up an aerospace in Hyderabad because Hyderabad wasn't actually known for aerospace. So we started in a very modest facility. So we emphasised on quality, we emphasised on 5S, cleanliness, which was something different to the kind of norm where companies just buy machines and say, you know, I've got capacity. Anyone can buy machines.
Since 2017, Aaran 1 Engineering has grown from a small 10,000 square foot facility into a state-of-the-art 60,000 square foot advanced manufacturing hub, equipped with over 65 CNC machines covering multi-axis machining and automation. With capabilities spanning aerospace, oil and gas, medical sensors, and hydrogen technologies, the company is recognized for high mix, low volume precision with micron level tolerances.
We also integrated a freight business into our business about 1 year ago. For all our deliveries, export and import. So we've managed to change the dynamics of the industry.
By investing in long-term workforce development, hands-on training, and industry integrity, the company is building a skilled core team and a sustainable future for precision manufacturing in Hyderabad and beyond.
ప్రతి ఎంప్లాయీ ఏంటంటే ఆయన చూసి చాలా వర్క్ నేర్చుకొని ఇంకా మోటివేట్ అయ్యి ఇండివిజువల్గా వాళ్ళ వర్క్ టాలెంట్ని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకుంటారు.
A lot of people told me you've got 5 years and then India's going to peak, Window's going to close. After 5 years, another person said, oh, you've got another 5 years. But even now I'm thinking that we're nowhere near. India has a long, long journey still.